Good morning and welcome back to the farm. It is a beautiful morning once again here on the farm in Maine, and we are getting ready to harvest our one pot of potatoes that we grew in a pot this year. They're ready to go. They're looking good. So we're going to see what we get for potatoes out of that. Come on. Hi, ladies. All right, so here's our potato plant. We planted this into this pot in May, mid-May, maybe late May, but I believe it was about mid-May, about the same time that we planted the potatoes in our side garden. These are probably honestly ready to go now because they're in such a restricted pot, but we're gonna go ahead and dig them out once these branches die off, once all the leaf structure dies off. Especially when you're planting in the ground, the potatoes are ready to pull. You can leave them in the ground. That just hardens off the skins on the potatoes. We typically will leave our potatoes in the ground until usually the end of September, sometimes October. So we'll see how those do, but we're gonna take a look at these first, see how these did in the pot, and then we may actually go over to the side garden and just see how the potatoes are doing over there. So let's just pull. I'm just gonna kind of pull them up and shake them out. And then we're gonna have to dig around. Got some small red ones here. See a few here, look at this. A couple of nice sized red ones here. I did do a mix of red and whites. That may be all. Oh, nope. We've got a bunch in here. All right. Well, nice boiling potatoes. Just keep digging around. Some of these are definitely too small. There's our seed. Another seed skin right there. I think we've probably gotten the biggest. Yep, that looks to be it. So just out of a pot. This is what we grew. It's enough for one meal. That's awesome. Let's go check out the side garden. We're going to take a look at those potatoes. We've had a real issue with whiteflies this year. Maine's been extremely hot and humid and dry, and we don't normally see whiteflies here a ton. This year we have been almost decimated by them. So we're going to take a look at the potatoes now. So as you can see, these have died off too. We do have a lot of weeds here still. We stopped weeding when we noticed the amount of whiteflies we had. Just gonna kind of move this around a little bit here on the end. Let's pull this one just to see. We may not have much. Rocks. Not even seeing potatoes. So that's a white pumpkin potato. Let's just see. All right. So the positive in this is, it doesn't look like they completely destroyed all of the potatoes. Looks like we are going to have some. But they did a number on our spaghetti squash and our zucchini. More to come on that in the next video.